Today, we're gonna go for a drive and talk about whether it's actually worth being a car YouTuber. So let's hop in the car and hit the road. Is being a car YouTuber worth it? I guess what I would say is it depends what you're trying to get out of it. Like for me, the main thing is I love to drive, I love to work on cars, and I think it's cool to be able to share that with people. So of course, financial goals is part of it. It always will be, but I love cars, I love working on them, I love talking about them, I love driving them. So it's all part of my life anyway, so why not make some YouTube content and see what happens? A big part of it is the amount of time that it takes to do all the editing and stuff. I think that's probably where a lot of people fall short and it's hard to stay motivated through all of that because it is, very, very time consuming. I could spend 8 to 12 hours editing a video after spending a couple hours trying to figure out, staging the video and figuring out where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna talk about, actually filming it. It's very, very time consuming. I started a YouTube channel in January of 2024 and I still only have 200 subscribers. I do have videos now though that are starting to take off after 6 months or like 12 months, stuff like that. I've got videos that are really starting to go, and part of it is just not giving up, keeping consistent, and your growth may be slower than other people's, but you can't let that discourage you. You just got to keep on pushing because you could be one video away or 1 month away from a video taking off. Mandatory pulls through the rock faces. But like I said, it's all about what you're trying to get out of it. So my experience, just shy of 2 years of doing YouTube, I've put a lot of time into it without getting anything back. And it really doesn't bother me that much. Of course, I wish I was farther ahead. Anybody really would be. But, I still enjoy doing it, and I'm slowly getting better and progressing. And that part, keeps me motivated because I actually see my own personal growth through it. With my 200 subscribers and almost 2 years, I have 180,000 views right now, roughly. And of course, it sucks to not get paid by that, but it does show that I have, the odd video does take off, and I'm pretty proud of that. Of course, a lot of it is luck. You can make as many videos as you want, and the ones that you think are going to do well don't, and the ones that you don't think are going to do well end up going semi-viral, get thousands of views. So that's why I say just be consistent, because over time, compound interest. I've got over 100 videos, and now as people find my channel, they can watch multiple videos. And if they are watching multiple videos, then the algorithm's gonna pick that up as someone came to your channel, they were interested enough to start clicking on other videos. So now when they open YouTube, a video of yours is gonna get recommended to them. No matter what they're watching, you likely will get recommended. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. If you're really passionate about this stuff, I say go for it. Put the time and effort in, and don't be scared of the outcome. Just do it. You put in the work and you'll reap the rewards. No matter how long it takes, it will come. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to talk a little bit about starting a YouTube channel as a car YouTuber. Hopefully motivate some people to step outside of their comfort zone and start their own channels, and just don't give up. And I can't end this video without doing a poll, so let's do it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.